We all know the struggle of tiny apartments and cluttered rooms. But don't worry, there's furniture out there that doesn't just save space, it transforms it. From sofas made entirely out of paper to cabinets that secretly unfold into full beds, these are the most incredible space-saving furniture you didn't even know existed. Let's dive in. Paper stool sofa. Imagine a sofa made entirely of paper, but not the flimsy stuff you're thinking of. This is engineered with a honeycomb design that's so strong, each seat can hold up to 300 kilograms. It uses hidden magnets to stay in shape, and you can expect it to last 5 to 10 years. The material is even coated with a waterproof layer, so spills just roll off. What's crazy is the portability. Weighing only 6.3 kilos, it folds down from a full chair into something just 3 inches thick, so you can carry it anywhere. Foldable Murphy bed. At first glance, it looks like a stylish cabinet with a rattan finish, a flat top for your plants or decor, and even drawers to stash away pillows or clothes. But here's the twist. Pull it open, and it transforms into a full bed with a trifold mattress compartment built inside. Perfect for tiny apartments or multifunctional rooms, it gives you a proper sleeping space without eating up floor area. You even get a soft fabric headboard for relaxing and, because this is 2025, a built-in USB port to keep your phone charged while you sleep. Suzanne Space Saver. Set this as like a transformer for your dining space. It looks like a compact cart, but flip open the drop leaf and boom, you've got a dining table for two. The stools? They slide neatly underneath, so no wasted space. You even get 2 drawers for cutlery and a side towel holder. And because it's on wheels, you can roll it wherever you need. Then lock it in place. Made from solid wood and a coffee finish, it feels sturdy yet stylish. Side-folding ladder. It's compact, clever, and built with real style. Made from premium, sustainable bamboo, this ladder mounts directly to your wall and folds sideways into a slim, almost invisible profile. No bulky frames or clunky pull-downs, just a clean, modern solution. It's perfect for tiny homes, attic access, mezzanines, or narrow hallways where space is a constant battle. And here's the best part. It's customizable. Using their online configurator, you can design the ladder to fit your exact space, or let their team tailor it for you. Compact office shell. The compact office shell is like your personal bubble inside a noisy open-plan office. Imagine having a mini workspace that blocks out distractions so you can focus better. The walls use smart glass, which means you can switch from transparent to private at the push of a button. The worktop adjusts, so whether you prefer sitting or standing, you're covered. It's designed with health and productivity in mind, even helping reduce the spread of germs. And if you need to collaborate, just slide open the door and teamwork is instantly on. Foldable table. This is the kind of table that makes you wonder why every table isn't designed like this. It literally folds in half, so you can carry it with the built-in handle like a suitcase. Once folded, it slides neatly under your bed, into a closet, or even your car trunk. And when you need it, just unfold, lock the legs, and you're ready in seconds. No tools required. It's versatile too. Use it for parties, camping, or even a quick dinner setup. Throw a tablecloth on, and suddenly it looks like a premium display table. Despite being lightweight, it's no weakling. The heavy-duty plastic top and metal frame can hold up to 300 pounds. Hidaloo Hidden Toilet. This is called the Hidaloo, and it's one of the smartest bathroom solutions you've probably never seen. At first glance, it just looks like a normal cabinet with a countertop. But with one smooth pull, the entire toilet slides out. When you're done, it tucks straight back into the unit. giving you back that floor space instantly. It's designed for tiny homes, cloakrooms, or utility rooms where every inch matters. The unit is compact, about 1,200 millimeters wide and 450 millimeters deep. Yet it's seriously tough, holding up to 400 kilograms. The flexible pipes are tested over 250,000 open-close cycles, so it's built to last. A Lowy queen-size bed. If you live in a small apartment or just don't have enough closet space, the Lowy queen-size bed is like a secret storage hack built right into your furniture. Instead of shoving boxes under the bed, this frame actually lifts up with a smooth gas lift mechanism, giving you loads of room for bedding, clothes, or even shoes. It's super easy to use, and because of the sturdy build, it feels reliable every time. On top, you've got an elegant wingback headboard with a modern channel design. So it doesn't just save space, it looks premium too. The upholstered fabric adds a stylish touch, making it the centerpiece of your bedroom. Shoe storage cabinet. This is not your regular shoe rack. It's a slim, flip-drawer shoe cabinet designed to save serious space. At just 9.3 inches deep, it's nearly half the size of traditional cabinets, but it hides away up to 32 pairs of shoes. Each drawer has 2 adjustable layers, so whether you're storing flats, heels, or even mid-boots, everything fits neatly inside. The flip-down design makes it super easy to access without cluttering your hallway, while keeping dust, pets, and bugs away from your shoes. On top, you get a fenced shelf that's perfect for plants, keys, or daily essentials. Ottoman with storage. This might look like a simple ottoman, but it's secretly one of the most practical pieces of space-saving furniture you can get. The BFSO ottoman is built with FSC-certified wood, which means it's strong, durable, and eco-friendly, able to hold up to 550 pounds. On top, you've got a soft teddy fabric finish with thick sponge padding, so it doubles as a comfy bench for your bedroom or entryway. But here's the clever part. Lift the lid, and you unlock a huge hidden storage compartment for blankets, books, shoes, or even toys. It's lightweight, foldable, and takes seconds to assemble, so you can tuck it away when not in use. Multifunction sofa bed. This is basically 4 pieces of furniture packed into one. In its folded mode, it looks like a sleek sofa, complete with storage on both sides for books or remotes. Half open it, and you've got a comfy sleeper where you can lounge, read, or binge Netflix. Fully open it, and it transforms into a soft, spacious bed for a good night's sleep. But here's the crazy part. Pull out the armrest and back, and it becomes a solid woodwork desk, so you can literally work while sitting on the sofa. J-Rex Countertop Organizer. It looks like a simple, rustic 3-tier shelf. But here's the trick. You can fold it into a neat corner rack or stretch it out as a straight shelf, instantly creating about 30% more counter space. It's not just for the kitchen either. Doubles as a spice rack, coffee station, bathroom stand, or even a plant holder. The design mixes rustic brown wood with black aluminum legs, giving it that functional but stylish vibe. You also get 4 handy hooks for spoons or scissors, non-slip feet to protect your counter, and it sets up in under 10 minutes. Stairway bunk bed. This bunk bed is basically 2 solutions in one. It's a twin-over-full stairway bunk bed that can also split apart into a twin bed and a full bed whenever you want. Instead of a wobbly ladder, you get a built-in stairway with 4 drawers tucked inside, plus 2 extra drawers underneath. So you're not just saving space, you're creating storage. The whole thing is made from solid Brazilian pine, not cheap particle board, and finished with a child-safe coating. It stands just under 70 inches tall with plenty of clearance between bunks for sitting up comfortably. Pachi Fashion End Table. This is the Pachi Fashion End Table, and it's not just a regular coffee table. The first cool thing is its lift-up top. Instead of leaning forward awkwardly on your sofa, the tabletop rises up smoothly with a metal mechanism, perfect for working, studying, or even eating comfortably. And then there's the 360-degree rotating tray. Hidden compartments reveal themselves when you swivel it, giving you clever storage for remotes, books, or even snacks. The layered design means you can keep plants or consoles on top, while tucking away clutter below. So that's it. Furniture that's not just smart, but literally changes the way you live in small spaces. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.